Poland is emerging as a strong performer in the fintech sector, driven by several key factors that make it an attractive destination for launching fintech startups with international ambitions. Today, my guest is Benjamin Avraham, founder of Okura, the currency operational system. Started in 2021, Okura now boasts 100 employees and has been named one of the most promising Israeli startups this year. We are looking forward to see what they are bringing to the Polish market. It will be a great discussion on the fintech environment, but also the new product that can shape a little bit business environment in Poland and in cross-border transactions. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Great to be here.
You know, you have perfect timing because you've just launched the Okura in Poland, actually as the first market for the business expansion. So we'll talk, of course, about it. But let's maybe start, if you could briefly introduce yourself, your background, so a few words about yourself.
Sure, thank you. So I'm Benjamin. I'm a father of three. I'm the founder and CEO of Okura. Before we launched Okura, I run a company, like a big advisor company of currency risk management and risk management. We mainly serve big enterprise like the Foreign Ministry of Israel, importers, the Postal of Israel. So we actually understand that there's a lot of solution for a high-end enterprise, but there's no such solutions for the small, medium businesses. That's why we build Okura as a solution, comprehensive solution for cross-border businesses.
So what exactly is Okura? A little bit started, but let's explain exactly what the product or the service stands.
So, Sylvia, you are traveling a lot. So you just came from Brussels and you travel a lot. And when you come back to Poland and you see your bank account and you understand, oh, listen, I pay for that, and there's a lot of fees and a lot of currency transactions, and the margin is quite high. So put that in small, medium businesses that work with cross-border trade. So you send payment, you collect payment, you send money. But there's another thing that is currency volatility and FX volatility that's highly affected you. You can control it, but it can cause you actually a great effect on your business and on your financial. So we build Okura as a comprehensive solution for businesses who work cross-border trade. Any segment, any sector, any size. And we start from the bottom. We start from the day-to-day operation. You can open an account, you can send money, you can collect funds, you can convert, but we integrated tools for currency management. We actually simplify complexity.
Mm-hmm. So when you sell this to the new clients, new customers, so what are the benefits, if you could name those that you are, presenting to your clients?
So let's say you are an importer and you send funds to the US or the Euro, and you have like 10% margin in your business. And you send payment, and even if you get a low fee transaction. But what would you do if the currency rates is going more than 10%? You need to actually adjust your pricing, or you actually lose money. You don't any time can actually adjust pricing. So it can be highly affected on you. So we build a solution for small, medium businesses, of course, enterprise, but not like a trader, professional traders, but for the common people, like a solution of sending payment with no risk about currency volatility. You can lock your currency and be safe. No volatility, be sure and know what you're paying, and without any losses from currency surprises.
Mm-hmm. So what are the steps, to become your client? So what's the process behind it?
Yeah. So we actually aim for three segments of client. One is SMEs, small, medium businesses. Second one is bank. We are serving banks today. And the third is non-financial institutions that want to compete banks and want to get advantage through our solutions. So the first step is KYC or KYB, know your client, know your business. So it's simple registration that we actually ask you several questions, and we can confirm you by compliance and regulation. And if it's all going smoothly, you can enter the web application. We have web and mobile application. And we also have API integration if you want to connect your environment and data to us automatically. So we have it all.
Mm-hmm. And why did you choose Poland as the first market, to expand?
You're actually a great country, growing fast, wonderful people, talented, super talented workforce. we are part of the EU, you have local currency, and we actually truly believe that there is no solution in that market for SMBs. So we have all the reason to be here.
That's interesting that you actually mentioned also, the fact that that Poland has such a, great workforce, because definitely I think that, this fintech sector or general tech sectors are expanding here in Poland, yes? And is it also your plan? Because I understand that now you have your team based in Israel. Are you looking forward to, open some business units here in Poland?
Exactly. We are a Swiss-based company. We have offices in Israel, in Cyprus, in other cities in Europe. And we are actually considering opening a great R&D center here in Poland, not only sales and marketing and support, of course, but also a great R&D team here. We actually work through that process, and we truly believe we can benefit from that workforce here.
And of course, a little bit what you already mentioned, but usually when you are expanding, you have some global products, global knowledge, but then you have to have some local insights. On your path to enter Poland, was there anything that struggled you, surprised you?
The language, of course. But in each and every country, we have like the specific issues, of course, because everything is different in each and every place. But we come with the humble approach, because you know what is the best thing for you. So we have advisors that help us to negotiate and to bridge the gap, the cultural gap. So we let our product speak, and we truly believe that we add value to the market. So we listen to our client, and we trying to understand what is the specific needs in each and every area, to adjust, make simple adjust that can fit the best. Of course, in Poland, sure.
And with the international product, and of course, as we usually have these international platforms, a lot of them is in English. So what are your plans in terms of navigating the language needs of the clients in Poland?
Our product is in English too, but we understand that in each and every area, not only that in Poland, local language is needed. So our plan is to translate our product multi-language and of course to Polish.
So what are your next steps? What do you plan for the development? Some milestones you would like to achieve in the upcoming months?
So we have now more than 20,000 clients, and we are growing rapidly. So we are actually opening new offices in Europe. Europe is our main focus now. Of course, Poland is the first one. So we will open an offices over here in Poland, and we launch our product through the SMEs and through potential partners like distributor partners. And so we actually believe and hope so that we grow rapidly here in Poland and in Europe, other countries too.
But SMEs is quite a broad group of companies, a lot of sectors. So I make a bet that you start with some specific sector where you see the biggest advantage of your product. So what is it?
We actually start with importer and exporter. They're highly affected by currency movement. They need, of course, payment solution and wallet solution, and we have it all. But we have another layer. This is our competitive edge. So everyone is offering payment solution and banking solution. We offer that also. But we offer another layer, we call it like the brain. It's AI-powered currency management tool that embedded into your day-to-day operation. So you don't need to worry more about currency fluctuation. We help you to reduce that risk. We help you actually to be at your best in your business without worrying about currency fluctuation, currency fees, and transaction. Do what you do at your best, and we will take all the risk and all the hassle with currency management.
Well, usually when we talk about money, I assume people ask about security. So how do you answer this question about, are my money safe, cybersecurity attacks, all those,
This is the best question, of course. It comes all the time. So we are fully regulated, of course. We are fully regulated. All funds are in segregated accounts. The client is fully in charge and in fully control of all his funds. All the decision is his to make. So we run billions of euro and dollars today for small, medium, and very large enterprise. So it's totally safe, of course.
And of course, Poland has their ambitions. I think already it is playing a major role in terms of the fintech sector. In Europe, definitely, but has global ambitions. So from your perspective, first question is, do you also network? I want to be the part of this ecosystem, also on the level of networking or partnering with other entities here in Poland?
Sure, no doubt about it, because we truly believe that we can join forces with other partners here in Poland, as we do in London, as we do in other areas. We have like payment institution, worldwide payment institution, big one, that collaborate with us. We have credit card companies that collaborate with us. We offer them solution via our API. So we don't see them as a competitor, we see them as partners to a broader solution, because in some way we have like unique solution and we can offer to the market with them our solution through them. So of course networking is highly appreciated from us, from our side, and we do that.
And do you perceive that when you talk to the companies that, because we like to say about ourselves that we are very advanced in terms of the payments, cash payments, so do you see it from your perspective?
No doubt about it, yes, because I look about it in both ways, because we can offer a solution and we can actually get solution from your market. So I have a discussion with several partners and even banks here to get solution from them to us, to our ecosystem. And it was quite good because we can offer them unique solution and we can get unique solution from them. So the partnership is great.
Any trends that you think that will speed up the process of the development of your company in Poland?
Yeah, because now we are launching. We will establish our R&D center here in Poland. We will establish our office market, sales, support, marketing. And of course, we're aiming to grow rapidly here.
Well, then I wish you best a lot of luck and a lot of courage, to also not only develop but also have an impact on the fintech scene in Poland.
Thank you.
So good luck with the launch, and well, I'm sure we're going to talk in several months to see where you are. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.